Do you remember how many times you fell and scraped your knee? Your arms and legs always seemed to be wearing red badges of courage. Then, a scab would form and soon disappear, leaving no trace of the injury. However, when you are young, your cells regenerate and repair much faster, so your wounds heal more quickly, and your bones knit more rapidly. All these processes are under the control of GH and other growth factors. Although GH supplementation won't restore your healing capacity to that you experienced as a child, it will dramatically accelerate the healing process. The healing properties of GH are already used in patients who are injured, severely burned, recovering from surgery, or severely malnourished. Several studies have revealed that GH and related factors can dramatically accelerate healing in people aged 40 and above. It can make cells regenerate and repair faster, wounds heal more quickly, and bones knit more rapidly. Contact us at aclinics.com or check our channel for more info.
AAI Clinics, no excuses, just results. Give us a call for a free consultation with one of our clinical advisors.